Hey there! Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. It's been a while since I've done a video, and actually a year since I've ordered a Stitch Fix box, just because, I mean, as you might know, I've been working from home, and also my two grown daughters were living with us. Since they were able to work remotely, they decided to come home, save money on rent. So they were home for about a year, but recently they've gone back to the mainland. One is actually in San Francisco, the other's in Seattle. And yeah, they're just living their lives. But it was really nice having them home for a year. But now I'm back to just me and my husband, our two dogs, Sammy and Kaya, and also my younger daughter's cat Molly is staying with us for a while because one of her roommates is allergic to cats. So we're just gonna be watching Molly for a while. But anyway, that's like a real quick summary of what's been going on. And you know, I apologize for not keeping up with my YouTube channel. It's kind of like I had just not been buying anything, and I was enjoying spending time with my two daughters. But anyway, I just decided that maybe since I hadn't done a Stitch Fix unboxing for a while, order a new box and see what I get. I noticed that, you know, they doing things a little differently. Before they send you your box, they send you a preview that had, I forget, like 8 items or so, and you just pick 5 that they send to you. So that's actually very similar to how Fashion does it. Oh, okay, and I forgot to say, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service where they send you 5 items of clothing which are selected by a personal stylist, and my stylist has always been Holly, so I did request her. But anyway, here's what my box looks like inside. There's a return mailer to send anything you don't want back. Okay, so you have your packet of information. And oh, here is the bundle. And I noticed it's a little different that it's got brown paper. Okay, so with Stitch Fix, you always get a note from your stylist. And yes, I have Holly, like always, and I'll just kind of quickly read the note. And what I'll do, I'm not going to read it aloud, I'm just going to put a screenshot of the note so you guys can pause the video and read it too if you want to. I have had Holly as my stylist forever and I just love her. She's awesome, and yeah, it just gives me a good feeling reading her note, honestly. I'm actually pretty excited. I guess because I haven't ordered a fix for so long, it's like, wow, it's just crazy. But I love getting these fixes, you know, it's really, yeah, it brings me joy. Okay, so the first item in my box is this top. And this is by PAPERMOON. It's a size medium petite. And this is the Reece mixed material top, off-white. And yeah, it's just mixed media, so you'll see it has kind of a very neutral-ish print in the front, and it has like a knit material. So yeah, I like these kind of tops. I have a bunch of mixed material tops that I've gotten from Loft before. But yeah, I think this is nice, and especially since I'm going to be, returning to the office, I think I could wear this to work. It's cute. Okay, and the next top is this very cute, cheerful, pink sleeveless top. It's by SPRUCE, size medium. This is the Dakota Surplice top in pink, size medium, $38. So this is also $38, so that's not bad. It looks very cool and comfortable. It has this kind of surplice, I guess is that what it's called, in the front. And it feels like rayon, but I used to hate rayon, but lately I've been okay with it. I noticed as long as you hang it, it's good. Yeah, it's rayon. Next, okay, it's another top. And this is by SPRUCE, size medium. This is the Juna Hilo knit top. Actually, it's medium petite. And this is $44. Wow, so this knit top is more expensive than those other tops. And yeah, it's just a very casual top, but it's cute. The material, it doesn't really feel like a t-shirt. It's a little bit more substantial. So yeah, I like this. I think this is very, very cute. Okay, and next, okay, here is a dress. And I love it. It's so soft. If you could feel it, it's really, really soft. This is by French Gray, and that's I think it's a Stitch Fix exclusive brand that I really do love. It's a size medium petite. It's a Shirley knit dress in black. And this dress is $48. So that's not bad for this dress. I just hope it's not too short. It does look like it might be a little short, but we'll see. Okay, lastly, I got this pair of shorts. And these are by the brand GAIAM. And these are the Warrior Performance Short in gray, size small, and they're $36. So yeah, I think these would be just a nice pair of shorts, and it has pockets, and they're made out of just a knit material, but it's a little bit substantial. You'll see it has this texture on the inside, so it's a little thicker. It's just a basic gray. I mean, I'm hoping as long as they're long enough, I could even wear this like going to the grocery store maybe. It's just a very casual, on the run kind of look. So we'll see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box. And now I'm going to try everything on. I'm going to use my style cards to help me style everything. And we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And there's Molly in the background. Okay, so yeah, I like this top actually. It's just kind of a nice basic. And see how it's mixed media, so it's knit in the back and it is polyester in the front. So I guess this will just be like an easy wash and wear kind of top. And I just have it, I looked at the style card, they had it with medium wash jeans and or also skirt. So I have these medium wash jeans. They are still kind of on the skinny side, and I know skinny jeans may be on the way out. But yeah, I think this looks cute. I like this top. It's just a very nice basic and something I could probably wear to work. I don't know, maybe I'd have to switch out to darker wash jeans if I were to wear to work. But yeah, a nice, cute, basic shirt. Okay, so here is the second top. And yeah, this is very pretty. I do like the print. I think it might be a little big. It is a medium, so a lot of times I'll take either a medium petite, or I guess maybe I can even fit a small. But yeah, for the style card, they just had it with medium wash jeans, so I did see how it looked with the previous jeans. But I thought, oh, maybe I should also try it with something white, because Holly had recommended wearing it with white shorts. So I have this white skirt, and I think that looks pretty cute. It is a little bit on the big side, so maybe I can size down to a small with this. So here is that pink striped top. And you'll see that it's like high-low. So I don't know if you can probably wear this with leggings, but I just have it paired with some white jeans. I think that looks cute. Yeah, so in the style card she had it paired with some white shorts, but I think white jeans works. And yeah, I really like this actually. I think it's cute, comfortable, easy to wear. Yeah, and it could go with white jeans or regular jeans, and I think I can definitely make some use out of this. So yeah, okay, so here are the shorts, and these are the GAIAM Warrior Performance Shorts. So yeah, I mean, they're just really comfortable. I mean, totally, you know, you could just kick around at the house, or I think they're probably good enough to be able to definitely walk the dogs or go to the grocery store. You know, I just have like a t-shirt. This is like a Madewell shirt. Yeah, and I just threw on some slip-ons, and these are Bionics that are discontinued, but I really love them. But yeah. Okay, and here is the dress. And yeah, I mean, I think it might be a little short, but not terrible. I'm pretty sure I have a few dresses that are this length. And yeah, it's very comfortable. It's a knit material. It's got a cute print, and actually it has some buttons in the front. So yeah, elastic waist. Yeah, very, very cute. And I think this is work appropriate. And I just have it paired with some black sandals. And in the style card, she's got it paired with a black blazer. But yeah, I think this is cute, and I haven't bought a dress for a long time. Okay, so I tried everything on and let me know what you guys think. I actually thought everything looked nice. The only thing I thought maybe I might want to try to size down on was this Market and Spruce top, although I really liked it. So I'm gonna have to check. You can go onto their website and see if there's another size. If there isn't, I'm gonna have to think about it because I do like this, and maybe it might actually shrink a little because it is 100% rayon. And surprisingly, I really like this top. You know, I had selected it probably when I did the preview. This was one of the last things that I selected, but I really liked it. It kind of surprised me. And I also really like this pink striped top. I wasn't sure, like this is something that looks better, I think, when you try it on than if you just see it, you know, like in a picture. These shorts I thought were just pretty basic. I mean, I know that you could probably find shorts more reasonably priced, maybe if you checked out like Old Navy or something, but honestly they were $36, so that to me wasn't a bad price. And actually I really like this dress. It's really cute. And if you know me, I love my floral dresses, and especially French gray. This material is just really soft. It's that kind of brush knit material, so comfortable. But anyway, quickly, let's go through the invoice. And for the 5 items, the total was $204. And if I were to buy all 5, I get 25% off. So that's, you know, that's pretty standard. So that would be $51 off, and the order subtotal would be $153. So yeah, I mean, that's not bad for the 5 items, I think. A little over $30 an item, that's what it averages. But anyway, so let me know what you guys think. And now it is time to say goodbye with my 2 furry companions, Sammy and Kaya. Yeah, let's bring Sammy. Okay, so here is Miss Sammy. And she is very, very fluffy right now because she needs to go for grooming. And she does have a scheduled appointment next week, Friday. Her and Kaya we're going to try out a new groomer, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ooh, I'll let Sammy go. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of, I can't say that. I do shopping hauls, not a lot, I guess, and some unboxing videos. I'm thinking I might start up doing more Stitch Fix. Now that I've done like the first one in a year, I'll probably be ordering them maybe monthly, we'll see. I'm also thinking about doing a fashion. Yeah, I'll probably order that today. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.